meteorologist Nikki-Dee with KLBK's first warning weather.
What a Monday it has been. We started off with a fantastic sunrise right outside the Overton Hotel facing what else? To the Texas Tech campus. A big congratulations to our baseball guys. We're so proud of them for making history when it comes to, of course, Texas Tech. Gorgeous sunset, and then we had a cold front come through. This particular cold front, obviously, we didn't deal with too much in the way of cloud cover. We lacked any amount of rainfall across the South Plains, but we did have those temperatures lowering just a bit, despite a ton of sunshine across the South Plains. It was a change in the way of winds. We had northerly winds just for a tiny bit today. Now they are shifting out of the east, which we love that easterly component because we know moisture is being kicked in across the South Plains. Temperatures to the north, pretty nice and mild. We're looking at, well, mild compared to 100 degrees down in Hobbs, 88 degrees in Dimmitt, 85 in Toya, off into the rolling plains. We do have a little bit of a mixed bag. Some of those temps coming in right around that 90-degree mark. So embrace the mild temperatures right now because things are about to get downright hot. We're going to be talking about a lack of any amount of cloud cover over the next several days. So mild start in the mornings and really warm afternoons thanks to a southerly breeze and tons of sunshine all across the South Plains. So remember, with temperatures so warm, make sure you remember those pets because we're going to be flirting right around that 100-degree mark, if not in the hundreds, by tomorrow afternoon. And that trend continues not only into Tuesday, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's several days of extreme heat across the South Plains. Now we will be dealing with along the state line the upper 90s, but once you get past 95, it's hot. So the pets, even though they're used to being outside, please take them indoors at all possible. Just let them cool off and don't carry them in your car. I know my dog loves to travel, but this week he's going to be staying at home because it is just too hot to have them outdoors. Tomorrow is going to be a day where we flirt with the triple digits, but many of us will surpass it. We're looking to get up to 98 degrees by the afternoon. Remember to drink tons of water, and breezy conditions are going to persist. They're going to be coming in out of the south around 20 to 25 miles per hour, and we will have a few gusts close to that 40 mile per hour range. Then we head on to Wednesday, where we will be at 102 degrees for the central areas. If we're that hot in Lubbock as well as into Plainview and down towards Slayton, you better believe over into Childress, we're going to be flirting around 107. It's going to be extremely warm, dangerous heat across the region, not only into Wednesday, but that continues into Thursday. Friday will slightly cool off, but really, it's still going to be hot, and we continue to stay warm on into Saturday. Now, we do have a slight chance of rain Saturday afternoon. That is, again, a very slight chance of seeing any isolated showers and thunderstorms. We'll continue to keep you posted on the possibility of that rainfall, but what you really need to focus on is the heat. Tomorrow, we talked about the pools open in the city of Lubbock. Many other areas, such as towards Plainview, we're going to have pools opening up in the near future. Make sure you take advantage of it, especially with it being so warm. You've got to make sure you're paying attention to the water restrictions on top of that. So can't play with sprinklers, play in the pool.
There you go. And wear your sunscreen.
Don't forget that sunscreen because it's going to be those days. Not only is it going to be